na terminate yung YouTube account ko. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So ayun nga guys, na terminate o na suspend ang YouTube account ko sa kadalihanang ayun nga guys, sa ang
Gunggong!
So ayun nga guys, sa kasamaang palad na terminate yung YouTube account ko dahil sa kagustuhan nating tumaas agad o tumami agad ang ating mga subscriber, ay ginagawa natin yung sub to sub na yan. So nakakasama pala yan sa ating account. So ayun nga, feeling ko dun ako na suspend ni YouTube kasi nakipag sub to sub ako. Tsaka meron pang isa, may isang vlogger na nag live streaming siya, and then nag-comment ako doon ng paulit-ulit, parang kinaka-copy paste ko lang yung mga sinasabi ko tapos sinisend ko ng mabilisan. So pagkatapos nun, meron na lang ako biglang na-receive na email galing sa Google and YouTube. So sinasabi nga rito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung na-receive ko.
So ito guys, yung isa sa mga na-receive kong email galing kay Google account. So dalawa yan guys, yung isa meron din kay YouTube. So ito muna, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung kay Google account. Ang sinasabi rito is the Google account, my Google account gmail.com is now disabled. It looks like it was being used in a way that violated Google's policies. We understand your account is important to you. If you think this was a mistake, sign in the disabled account and submit a request to restore it. You'll need to do this soon because disabled accounts are eventually deleted along with your emails, contacts, photos, and other data restored with Google account. So ito naman guys yung kay YouTube galing sa kanya.
Would like to inform you that due to repeated or severe violations of our community guidelines, your YouTube account, Boss Nogi TV, has been suspended. After review, we determined that activity in your account violated our community guidelines, which prohibited spam, scams, or commercially defective content. Please be aware that you are prohibited from accessing, possessing, or creating any other YouTube accounts. For more information about account termination and how our community guidelines are enforced, please visit our help center. If you would like to appeal the suspension, please submit this form. So ayun nga guys, yung na-receive kong email galing kay Google and kay YouTube. Actually, di ko naman alam kung ano yung nagawa ko talagang mali. Ang feeling ko lang is yung pag sub to sub ko and dun sa pag-comment sa nag-live streaming ng paulit-ulit. So pag-open ko nga ng aking YouTube account, ayun nga, hindi ko na siya ma-open sa YouTube. Pati sa Creator Studio, chinek ko yung account ko dun. Pati mga videos dun, deleted due to suspended. Yung Google account ko naman is nabubuksan ko kasi ma-access mo pa naman siya. May pag-asa ba bang mabalik ang YouTube account? Yes guys, pwede pa siyang mabalik. So makikita nyo dun sa email na binigay ni YouTube sa bandang dulo is nakalagay dun, if you would like to appeal a suspension, please submit this form. So yung form na yun guys, i-click nyo yung this form na yun, then may lalabas dun na form na parang fill upan mo. So ipapakita ko sa iyo kung ano yung fill upan ko dun at kung ano yung mga sinubmit ko.
So ito guys yung form na fill upan mo for appealing a suspension. Ang nakalagay dito is, if you believe that your access to a Google product has been suspended in error for the account noted below. So ayan guys, fill upan nyo lang dyan. Nakalagay dyan is yung inyong full name. Susulat nyo dyan yung full name nyo, yung pangalan nyo sa YouTube account. After nyan guys, yung email address you use to sign in to your YouTube account channel or YouTube channel. Bali guys, lalagay nyo dyan kung ano yung ginamit yung Gmail na connected sa YouTube channel mo. Tapos guys, email address we can use to contact you. So ang ilalagay mo dyan guys kung ano yung email address mo. So i-copy mo lang yung email address mo na ginamit mo kanina. So ma-open mo naman yun eh. Hindi naman siya ma-deactivate. And then URL of your suspended YouTube channel. So copy nyo lang guys yung link ng YouTube channel nyo na na-suspend. Tapos and then lastly guys, ang nakalagay dito is please briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended in error. Be sure to review YouTube community guidelines and copyright policies before submitting your appeal. So ito guys, i-explain nyo na dito kung bakit dapat ibalik yung YouTube account nyo. So may mga tutorial o mga form na nababasa ko sa YouTube, kayahin nyo na lang yun guys. After nyo masubmit guys yung form na yun, mag-reply sila agad-agad. At ito yung na-receive kong reply nila. We have looked into your request and found that you have recently sent an appeal. Please wait for the result of your current appeal. If it has already been decided, please refer to the outcome. Note, you cannot appeal a second time. Bali guys, isang beses lang kayo pwede mag-appeal, kaya dapat maghihintay talaga kayo kung kailan sila mag-reply, kung kailan nila ibabalik yung YouTube account mo. Ibabalik pa ba o hindi na?
3 days guys, 3 days yung inabot bago ulit sila nag-reply about dun sa suspension ng YouTube account ko. So, eto guys yung na-receive kong message na binigay nila.
Hi there! After a review of your account, we have confirmed that your YouTube account is not in violation of our terms of service. As such, we have unsuspended your account. This means your account is once again active and operational. If you forgot your password, please visit this link to reset it. Sincerely, the YouTube team.
So ayun, thank God guys, ibinalik ni YouTube yung account ko.
It's nice to be back.
So sana maging silbing aral tong ginawa kong video para na rin sa mga gustong maging YouTuber o vlogger. So yung sub to sub na yan, hindi naman masama. Yun nga lang, doble ingat. So mahigpit ngayon si YouTube, habang patagal ng patagal, pahigpit siya ng pahigpit. Kaya, so doble ingat lang din guys. Yung ibang account kasi guys, hindi talaga binabalik ni YouTube. Kahit na monetize ka na or kumikita ka na, may iba talaga na dinidelete ni YouTube yung account nila. So ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Huwag mo kalimutang mag-like and subscribe. Goodbye!